Welcome guys, in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 and I'm going to show you how you can get this animated wallpaper on your Note. So at the first I'm going to delete this application and I'm going to show you step by step how to get it. So at the first we have to move for the Play Store and in the search pool we have to type Fluid Wallpaper. Then we have to get this application. There's the full name, Magic Fluids Free Simulation and a Live Wallpaper. If you cannot find it with the Magic Fluids phrase, you have to input the whole name, and it is from the Math Sciences Studio. So right now we can install this application. Let's open. We have to tap on this right corner and click to set as a live wallpaper. And right now just click here to set wallpaper. We can select home screen and also home screen and the lock screen, and I think that I'm going to apply on the both. And right now just close the application, and right now you can enjoy this beautiful fluid wallpaper on your Xiaomi smartphone. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. So yeah,